Hey guys, what's up? This time I'm gonna show you how to draw an apple. Okay, let's get started. While checking the balance from the top, bottom, left, and right, mark the top and bottom of the apple. Place a mark for the center line. This will act as the axis of the apple. And check the tail of its shape. As you mark out the apple's distinctive shape, lightly sketch the shadow where the apple touches the ground. Try to keep the balance as you go. Use a softer pencil for the foreground and harder pencil for the background. This helps create smooth rhythm as you follow the curves of the surface. Once the shape looks right, blend the shadows gently with tissue paper. By rubbing, the form of the apple really starts to stand out. Carefully go over the contours a few times, adjusting for the apple's shape and angle. Focus on the area that overhangs the most. That's where adding details really helps create a three-dimensional look. Imagine the light coming from the top left. That's where you will see the brightest reflection. Here's a quick announcement. My exclusive artworks are now available on Patreon. You can check them out through the link in the video description. I've shared lots of other unique pieces there as well, so if you're interested, feel free to take a look. Alright, let's get back to it. The light softens as it moves down across the apple. Blend the top of the apple around the stem to give it more depth. As you work, you will start to see more subtle patterns. You can build on these with extra details to bring the drawing to life. Finally, step back from time to time to check the whole drawing. That way you won't get stuck on small details, overwork the shadows, or lose the overall balance. There we go, all finished. I'm happy with how clean and balanced it looks, including the space. Apples are basic round forms, so they are great for practicing sketching. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time. Take care.